Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to be speaking on a few handbags, and also I will be telling you guys some price increase tea from a certain luxury brand. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so guys, let's get started. I am going to go over a few handbags and then the price increase information. I will save that tea for last. But first things first, I want to speak on the polls that I put in my Instagram stories. I am so shocked. You guys are not feeling Buy the Pull collection. I thought you guys would, but the votes are saying no. And also for the LV20, you guys are not going for it at all. So let's speak on that. I do have better pictures. Let's start with the LV20, okay? This is a reverse monogram handbag. The open enclosure is with the S-lock, as you guys can see. It does come with two straps. I spoke on this already in a past video, but I want to show you guys a side view and also an inside view. I am not trying to persuade anyone, but I just want to, provide better pictures for you guys. The price is $3,050, of course. And also, the dimensions are here again, if you didn't catch it in the past video. I'm only providing pictures. I'm leaving it in your hands to decide if you want to purchase or not. I'm not sure. I hate passing on reverse monogram handbags. This will honestly be number 2 if I do pass. I pass on the on-the-go tote PM. And so here's another one that LV is putting in my face, but right now, nothing is comparing to the Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram. So I know I'm still going to reach for that bag. So it's no use in purchasing the LV20 if I'm going to continue to use, the Pochette Matisse. This has to make sense. That's $3,000, okay? And that's before tax. So we have to think smart when we're purchasing, okay? So again, here are the pictures. The inside, the side view, the front picture, 2 straps. One is adjustable, one is black leather, and the other is chain and leather. Both detachable. Do as you please. If you want to put the reverse monogram strap on here, if you want to put the monogram strap on here from the Pochette Matisse, go ahead and do so. But you can't say I didn't share the pictures with you. And also, let me show you the poll. This is what you guys are saying. You are not going for it at all. The next handbags that I want to go over that I shared in my stories is the LV Summer Bundle. Again, you guys are like, you're not going for it. You said that you guys are going to be smart this time around. You're not going to do any foolish spending. I'm really shocked, but I am proud of you guys for saying, no, Marquita, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. So you have these 2 handbags. To me, the colors are so beautiful. I don't have the dimensions. I can't tell you how big it is, but I know for sure you guys are asking. It's not a mini, guys. We can look at this and tell it's not going to be a mini handbag. It's going to be small, probably like a Speedy 25. I'm saying as far as how much it holds, because it doesn't have a top zipper, so we do have that opening area to where we can fit a little bit more. Gold hardware. The strap, the tote handle is detachable. To me, I like it. I do. I honestly like the summer bundle handbags. That blush pink, that pink is amazing. I love the cream as well. I don't know. It could just be the colors that I love, but I'm not going to say yes to purchasing, and I'm not going to say no. But here is the poll that I put in my stories, and again, you guys were not feeling this. Here it is. Okay, I thought I would get a good response on this, and you guys are like, still no. You know what? I have to get on live because I need to understand what's going on. I guess since I have better pictures, because at first the pictures that I showed you guys, it was blurry. Here it goes, the by the pool on the go tote. This is the MM size. And again, you guys are like, you're not feeling it. The inside, of course, I believe is going to match the outside, the beautiful blush pink. I'm assuming that the inside will be microfiber material, and it's just going to probably match the outside. I am just guessing. I'm not for sure. This is the only picture that I have to show. So you guys, let me know, why are you saying no? Why are you passing? If you voted no in my Instagram stories, please explain in the comments why you are passing on any of the bags I have spoken on so far. The next bag is the navy blue, guys. This is the navy blue, and it's not even navy blue. It's like a dark sea blue. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? It's like a beautiful dark sea blue. And on front leather, carefree. This is what we wanted. I'm pretty sure the inside is the smooth microfiber material that matches the outside of the handbag, the darker blue. But you guys said no to this as well. When I was live, you guys were all for it. Is it because now you see a better picture? Maybe when I was describing it, I had you guys pumped up because I pumped myself up. But now that I have a clear picture, you guys are like, heck no, I'm passing. So far, 26 people have sent me a DM and like, no, Marquita, I'm going to pass on the entire By the Pool collection. Okay, so this again, you guys, most of you guys voted no, that you're going to pass. And if you were one that said no, let me know in the comments. If you said yes to any bags I have shown so far, share. Let me know why you're interested, and have you pre-ordered yet? Give me details. Let's share the tea, guys, okay? The next handbag that I want to speak on is the Speedy 20. It's just like the Neverfull I just showed you guys. Let me know. I didn't do a poll on this, but let me know if you're going for the Speedy 20. Did you say no to the Neverfull because you are wanting the Speedy 20? You know, I love that it has the extended zipper. Very cute handbag. So let's share. Let me know how you're feeling about it. And I don't think I even shared this beautiful blush pink with you guys. But here it is in the Speedy 20. And then you also have the beautiful sea blue Speedy 20. Both gold hardware. I am loving the strap. I haven't seen, I don't even want to say it because I don't know if they're listening. I haven't seen LV do an upfront leather Speedy 20 with a guitar strap. Have I missed it? But I don't want them to do it. No, LV, don't do it. I'm just saying. Please don't do it. But I love the straps on the Speedy 20. You guys know, of course, detachable. Also adjustable. So, what are you thinking? I love the Speedy 20. That is my favorite size when we speak on the Speedy. The Speedy 20, then I love the Speedy 25. Let me know. Extended zipper, of course. The next I want to speak on is the mini Bumbag. Here is a better picture, guys. And I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think now. I'm feeling the blurry picture. I'm feeling the blurry picture better than this clear picture. I don't know. I am just happy that the strap is detachable. I don't know what to say. I want to say and agree that it's cute, but then I don't like that they call this a bum bag because it's not a bum bag at all. This is basically a mini crossbody. I'm hoping that it holds a phone. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how to feel. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how to feel. I am confused. Let me know how you feel about this, because I want to say, like I said, it's cute. But then again, I think it's the word Bumbag that messed me up. So let's talk about this together, guys. Chain strap, of course, you know, they're adding chain straps, guitar straps to all these handbags. It's vachetta. I'm not sure if this is going to be... No, I don't think it's treated vachetta. I don't think it's treated vachetta. Adjustable strap, vachetta strap, and also detachable. You can add... it's going to be a lot of monogram. You can add the strap from the Pochette Matisse on, but like I said, it's going to be a lot of monogram. The front, of course, I know it's going to be a card holder. Let me see. No, I'm going to take that back. That's not a card holder. That's going to be a compartment for coins. There's no way. That's going to be so hard. That's going to be so hard getting your cards in and out. The opening, I have to see this. I have to see this in person. I don't think the opening is going to be very large. Yes, we're going to have to, we have to see this in person. So we do have the top zipper. It's coming in with one zipper. You know, the Bumbag that we do have came with two zippers. So now we are down to one zipper. Of course, it is a mini. I don't have the dimensions yet. I don't have the dimensions, but here's a better picture. Let's talk. Let me know what you think. I feel like if they would have just called this a crossbody, like, you know, like the utility crossbody handbag, if they would have called this a utility bag, I think it would have been better. I think it would have cost us better. We will feel more comfortable purchasing. But taking the original Bumbag from us and then giving us this Bumbag, I think it upset us. I think that's what it is. It upset us. If they were going to reduce the size of the Bumbag, okay, you could have reduced it to the size of the upfront Bumbag, but made it monogram. But instead, you made a mini, which looks like a crossbody because of the strap. Let's move on. Okay, the Monoglam handbags that are coming out. This is the beautiful Speedy 20. Now, I am going to say this. This line is very, very creative. It's very beautiful. I don't really know how to feel as far as purchasing. Is it worth the price? Okay. To me, it's just giving denim. That's it. It's just giving denim. But let's speak on the Speedy 20. Here it is, guys. I will provide a better picture once I get a better picture. But like I said, I don't know. It doesn't make me say, oh my gosh, I need it. Oh my gosh, I have to purchase. Nothing has done that for me so far, except for the orange Ammo BB in Epi Leather, and I don't have a clear picture of that yet. So I hope they don't play with me. I hope they don't play with me. So here's the Speedy 20. Also, here is the Cousin. We have a Keep All. And the one that I love the most is the beautiful side trunk. I love this. I really do. I just love how the gold hardware is like bam, like shiny, like oh my gosh. I'm here to stay. I'm glad they didn't go with the silver hardware. I think the gold on here looks absolutely amazing. I'm not saying I'm going to purchase. Like I said, right now, nothing is saying, oh my gosh, Marquita, you have to purchase. I am looking at other brands right now. You guys know this. And so right now, I think my coins are safe in my purse. I'm not sure. My birthday is coming up. Pre-orders are open. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know how you feel with some of these handbags that I spoke on. But it's just so much. It's so much going on, guys. It really, really is. It is so much going on. Okay, so we spoke on the handbags. I showed you guys pictures, a few prices. I gave you dimensions on the 20 handbag, more pictures of the inside and a side view of the 20 handbags. I am trying to basically fulfill all the requests that you guys ask me. I do work very, very hard for my CAs, and I appreciate you guys that send me pictures via Instagram to share with the YouTube family. This is a community, guys. We have to stick together, okay? It's like, it's them versus us, but we just give them our hard-earned money. Okay, anyways, so price increase tea. I received a text message today, and it went a little like this. Hey, Marquita, YSL, we're having a price increase. Saint Laurent, May 1st. Are there any items that you are interested in? I was blown away. Mistake me if I'm wrong. Didn't they just have a price increase? You know what? No, they did. Because the Ikari Maxi Tote was like around $3,500. And I think a couple of months after that, they had a price increase. So, I'm confused. What is going on? I am confused. So guys, yes, YSL is having a price increase May 1st. Whatever handbags you are, I'm guessing, interested in, SLGs, heels, slides, whatever you have been waiting on. If you have any items from YSL on your wish list, you need to purchase ASAP. May 1st is a couple of days away. I'm just glad I was able to be able, I'm just glad I'm in a position to be able to share this information with you. Like I said, if I would have known earlier, of course, I would have told my community, my YouTubers, I love you guys. But this came across my phone today, and once I heard it, I usually don't do back-to-back videos, but I said, you know what? No, I have to share with my community. It's not just LV community. I have some YSL lovers here, guys. So I love to share any and everything that I receive. Take it how you want. This came straight from my SA. They had just left out a meeting. So here's a text message. This is what I was sent. And put those items in cart, or go into, you know, a boutique and purchase your items. That's all I can say. Like, I'm still shocked as well. So let's talk amongst ourselves, besties, in the comments. How do you feel? I know you are shocked with this information that I am telling you about the price increase. Let me know, are you passing on these handbags, the Monoglam, the By the Pool? Let me know what handbags, even if it's not from LV or YSL, what handbags are you guys looking to purchase next? Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.